Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another JQ on the go video. So we are heading out to Detail Garage. I got Sean behind me in his 2006 S197 GT, and I'm here in my 2022 Ford Mustang GT. This show overall is a pretty good car show to go to on a Sunday. So hopefully there's a good crowd of people here. On average, there's probably about a good 45, 50 cars. It is a little bit of a smaller lot, but it is with our local detail shop over here on State Road 84. So gonna see what happens, gonna throw the GoPro on, get some videos of the different cars, we'll walk around and even get some people pulling out today. Absolutely haul. So,
I don't want to know how fast you were going.
Shh, no we weren't. So we have made it to our spot. We got Sean here, like I was saying, in an S197. I got me here in my S550. As you can see, people are still pulling in. We got a nice blue EcoBoost over there. Sean, how you feeling this morning?
Pretty good.
How you doing? Put her there. We're just gonna wipe down our cars and then we'll walk around and show you what we got. 570. Or 570 Spider. Nice. Nice. Oh, you're right there. It's like, where'd you go? Oh, GTR. Nice. In all honesty, I have no idea too much about these cars, but they are pretty cool. And it wasn't Fast and Furious. And it's right-hand drive. Doo-doo-dee-doo. Okay, so we got some Kias. Dude, these Del Sols, I always like these Del Sols. They're so cute. And the roof comes off. It's like a Corvette.
Does it?
Yeah. Yeah, right up here at the top. Bing.
Oh yeah.
It's cool.
They're so small.
Yeah, they are.
GTR. These cars feel the GTR. This is what
Yeah, these cars are her feelings. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw one in mine. Eventually, once I have a second. Once I have.
Which one is this? A 20? Yeah. Okay. So this here is a 2011, 2012
yeah.
because you see the gap. Do you see the gap under here?
Yeah.
So really, they had different taillights. Those taillights are 13 to 14. So that's kind of cool
Wow,
to look
the
at.
wheels are pretty nice.
Yeah, the wheels are sick.
Those are, and that's an interesting color.
Yeah, and the Nittos, these are the similar tires that I was gonna get on mine. I wonder how big he's running. But I just ordered my tires yesterday for the people who are watching. But right now he's on, why can't I read? Oh, at 315, okay. Wow, that's pretty big. I'm only doing a 305 now, but nice Whipple.
Pretty sick too.
Yeah, I've seen this little guy before.
I saw that on actually.
Yeah. Nice. Is this a Nissan or something? I've definitely seen one online. Yeah, it's a Nissan. Huh. That's kind of cool. Oh, a new S650. And it's a performance pack. Nice. I like the wheels on that. Somebody was selling those in gold. I almost bought them. What's up? How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I just can't get into them. I'm not a fan.
Yeah, this is super small.
It looks like they just bought it too.
Yeah. No, this is cool though.
Yeah, it is. And in great condition.
Huh. Oh, these are cool, Corvair.
Wow.
This was like what was gonna be the Corvette before the Corvette. Oh, we got a Supra coming in too. Nice. That's cool. Ooh, these are nice. A Vet 2? What year do you think this is?
This is like, I would say.
Well, it's a C3, but
somewhere around there.
yeah. I want to say my uncle has a 73 or a 72.
Well, let's see. He has this. Oh, 81.
Oh, 81. Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah, because the C4 started in 84, right? No.
Yeah, no.
84?
Yeah, 84. Because mine was 86.
Yeah.
05 to 09.
Yeah.
This looks like it's in good condition too.
Yeah. And we got a why? There's a Genesis? What, the hood popped? Okay. No harm, no foul. Ooh, a CR1. Yeah.
Oh, he's got a little bit more done than I do.
Yeah. It's got a motor in there. I like the I was gonna say SVE, but they're SVT wheels.
Look at that Volvo. You see that?
Where? What's the Volvo?
The stick.
Oh, I thought you said the Volvo.
No.
The Volvo. Yeah. It's still got the same shifters. So we got a Lightning and then a... Wait, what? This is cool. That's... What?
Wow.
Oh, dude, we gotta follow that. That is a C6 interior. What?
Yeah, that's like a
what? That's so cool.
ZR1.
Yeah. Wow, that's sick.
Yeah,
and it's
like
got, yeah, dude, this must be a C6 with a conversion.
That's not. That's
wow, I gotta get a picture of that.
New car.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Dude.
That's crazy.
Wow. That is sick. Huh. See that little thing over there?
I do.
Wow. Dude, this here, holy. Wow.
Wow. That's crazy.
This is so cool. I just love it how, like, it, like the gentleman was like waxing it and wiping it down and then just so casually walks away from it. How do you not look back? C8. Ooh, oh, sorry, sir. Got a Porsche. Yeah, see, these are the Porsche guys.
Yeah.
Got an old Caddy. Cadillac.
Holy cow.
Got a Cadillac. Got a boat.
Hey, I had one of these.
Yeah.
Except this is in just
Yep.
the back.
We don't need to say it.
Very
Ooh, these are cool.
That's not yours.
Is this really an Accord? Or is this an Acura? Oh, okay, yeah. I was like, they made it as an Accord wagon? That's cool.
In like Australia and all the other countries, it's
Yeah.
like a Accord Tour, so
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
I was like, might as well just throw everything on it.
Yeah. I like it.
Shit.
Yeah. My first car was an Audi Allroad, which was a wagon. Wagons have a place in my heart. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. But what, I mean, it's like an 06, so yeah.
This could be my daily.
What this? Oh, the truck?
Wow.
You got 18.5?
I mean, I could.
It's got a 3-speed. You could?
Look at
We gotta keep it PG for the children. Now I'm gonna have to cut that out. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Too bad my smart car. Oh, it's so small. What is it?
Look at them.
Is it? I don't know. Maybe? Oh, it's a Mazda. Look at that. M-Power. Sheesh.
That looks pretty cool.
He got Lamborghini. It is, you know, it's kind of cool.
That looks pretty cool.
It is kind of cool. Would I do it? I don't know. But it's kind of cool. Oh. Bye.
It's so
Oh, we got some bikes. Yeah.
Anyone coming in out, they're not finding the bar.
Yeah, no. Honda boys.
Wow,
And it's
this
just
is
trying to get to
actually
7-Eleven.
This is the clean build.
Yeah. I
That's really
want to say this is factory though.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's the F.
They come with the carbon fiber hood.
Yeah. Because it has the, yeah. And it's got the carbon fiber slotted rotors too.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, I know
Oh, yeah,
everybody.
all the way back to the splitter.
Yeah. I mean, it may have an exhaust because I don't think they came with the blue tips.
And it didn't
But-
come with those brakes.
No, it did, yeah. The slotted.
No way. So how much is something like this factory then?
I don't want to. I would say probably in the 80s.
Okay, that's not terrible.
Yeah. I mean, it's a V8. Gets out of its
Even
way.
the Lexus emblem has carbon fiber.
I think this here, though, is aftermarket because it would have had the radar cruise control.
Oh.
So I think he removed that.
Or what is that
Or
underneath it though?
that might be the sensor behind it.
Yeah, they might have put something
Yeah.
behind it.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, Dude, bruh. Bruh.
5K original miles.
Bruh. I know it's pretty, but
Yeah, that's crazy.
I don't know about that, my friend. This is cool. I would like to ride in one of these. I've driven the Aventador, but this here would be pretty sick. Oh, it's an MR2. Okay, just a different front end that I'm used to. Oh, we're getting hit by the lightning. Okay. So we've migrated away from the initial show and over here, and I guess like the overflow lot now, we have a BMW M2. And I'm saying it like that just because initially I was telling Sean that it was the 240M, because that's what my buddy has, and as I was walking up. But this is actually my first time seeing the M2 in person, and it definitely is a little bit chunky, you know, in the front. It's kind of got like that boxy-ish front bumper, but then like the smooth lines on the side. The seats are very nice, and I do like the interior. My friend's 240M definitely moves. So we came back towards the end here. Yeah, but it seems to be Viper. That's cool. Ooh, okay. Got a Z06. That's cool. Sheesh. That is sick. Wow, that purple pops. Wow. That is cool, man. Oh, and he just got it. Yeah, STO, and then where did the other, oh, there's the other Huracan. Okay, yeah. Wow. So we're starting to head out here, but we're a little bit double parked. So me and Sean are gonna try to maneuver a little bit. These guys were here before. This M3 has been there, but this nice guy in the Beetle is gonna move. So let's see how good I am at getting out of tricky situations. Oh, he got it. He's already out. Oh, good. He's right behind me. Oh. Ooh, we are pulling out with the McLaren. Hi, McLaren. Go, biker. Oh, that was great. Oh, that's fun. That's great. On that note, I hope you enjoyed this JQ on the go video. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.